Hi guys, today we are going to do a video about animals and the sounds they make. We have two videos like this, so this is the first one. Are you ready? Here we go. This is an animal. I'm going to put it over on this side, over here. Can you see it? When I put the animal on this side, we will name it. We'll say the name of this animal. And then when I put it in front of my mouth, we'll make the sound. So let's try. This is a dog. Good. This is a dog. A dog says, woof, woof. Right? Good job. Let's do it again. A dog, you say dog, says, woof, woof. Good job. The dog says, woof, woof. You do it all by yourself. Dog. Woof, woof. Okay, let's do the next one. You ready? You got this. Let's see what this one is. Oh, look. It's a chicken. Chicken. The chicken says, buck, 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 buck. Good job. The chicken, look at that, chicken on the eggs. There's a chicken. Says, buck, 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 buck. Did you copy me? Buck, buck, buck. Good job. The chicken says, buck, 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 buck. Good job. Can you do it all by yourself? Let's see. The chicken says, buck, 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 buck. Good job. All right, let's do the next one. Here we go. I see lots of these animals on the farm. It's we'll say a cow. This is a cow. A cow says, moo. And I know that cow has horns, so we'd say cattle, but we're going to say cow. Cow. The cow says, moo. Right? Yeah, there we go. What's his name? Cow. The cow says, moo. Good job. The cow says, moo. What's this? It's a cat. In Spanish, we say gato. This is a cat. Cat. The cat says, meow, meow, meow. The cat says, meow. Can you do that? The cat says, meow. Good job. One more time. You do it all by yourself. The says, nice job. I bet you did that right. All right, let's do one last one for this video, and then we'll do another video that's separate. Here we go. This is a gorilla. Gorilla. What does a gorilla say? The gorilla says, the gorilla says, can you say that? Who's this? He's the gorilla. The gorilla says, "Oh, oh, 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 oh." Good job. I'm very impressed. Let's see if we can say all the names of the animals. We'll say the names of the animals first. Ready? Here we go. We'll say the name of this one. This is a chicken. Good. This one is a cat. Good job. This one is a cow. Good. And this one is a gorilla. Nice job. Can we make the sounds? Okay. The gorilla says, "Ooh, ooh, 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 ooh." The cow says, "Moo." The cat says, "Meow." The chicken says, "Buck, buck, 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 buck." Oops, I forgot one. And the dog, here's the dog. The dog says, "Woof, woof, 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 woof." Good job. You can go back and listen to this again and practice it as many times as you need to. Bye.